Problem 1. A body is thrown vertically upwards with the initial velocity, reaches the maximum height in 6 seconds. The ratio of the distance traveled by the body in the first and the 7th second. So this is based on motion under gravity. So we take a body which is projected vertically upwards with the initial velocity. It goes, suppose you take this as A and this is O and A. What is the velocity when it reaches A? It is 0. So the acceleration for the upward journey is minus g, pointed directly downwards. So use v equal to u plus at. 0 equal to u minus gt gives you u equal to g into t. So u equal to 10 into 6, 60 meters per second. Then we have to calculate the distance traveled during the first second and the 7th second. So use the formula Sn equal to, this is the general formula, u plus a by 2, 2n minus 1, distance traveled during the nth second of motion. Now this becomes Sn equal to u, we have to take for the upward motion a as minus g, when the body returns a equal to plus g. So first let us take S1, distance traveled during the first second, that is upward journey. So it becomes u minus g by 2, 2 into, because first time, second is equal, n is equal to first, 1 second. Substitute the values. S1 equal to 60 minus 10 by 2 into 1, 55 meters. So distance traveled during the first second of motion is 55 meters. Okay. Next we should calculate S7. So you notice here it takes 6 seconds to go here. So it means S7 means 7th second means it has completed this up to 6 seconds. Then for first second downward motion. So what is 7th distance traveled during the 7th second? It is the distance covered during the first second after it has reached A. So substituting, now return journey A equal to plus G, this downward direction. Now let us consider S7, distance traveled during the 7th second, S7. The body has taken 6 seconds to reach here, so it is returning. So what is the initial velocity at A? Initial velocity at A is 0 and acceleration equal to plus g. So for u we have to substitute 0, for A we have to substitute plus g, and it is the first second after returning when it is downward motion. So 2 into 1 minus 1. This is equal to 5 meter. So what is the ratio? S1 by S7 is equal to 55 by 5 equal to 11 by 1 or 11 is to 1. So the answer is second choice.